Have you heard of T is for Tot? Guys, this is a subscription box that I have never seen before. One of the things that I am loving about T is for Tot is how hands-on and how play-based it really is. So I got my first kit today, and it is about the human body. One of the books that it includes in here is Me and My Amazing Body by Joan Sweeney, illustrated by Edward Miller, and it has tons of fun activities. And some of my favorite activities was me and my son, we did the lung activity, the doctor activity where they got to put the stethoscope on and you can actually hear the heart beating. Then it also included some handmade Play-Doh where children could manipulate. My son was able to manipulate the Play-Doh to create organs. And since we had just did the lung activity, he created some lungs using the Play-Doh. It comes with a whole little booklet of other activity ideas, but let me know right now in the comments below. Have you ever seen a subscription box like this? The quality of the material, honestly, that's what really got my attention the most, is the quality and how well done it is. And then the fact that it included a book, a very well written book, an illustrated book, is just beautiful, guys. But I'll make sure that I leave the link in the comments or the description box below. But let me know right now, what do you think of this subscription box? Have you heard of T is for Tot? And yeah, let's talk about it in the comments below. And if you are new here, my name is Brianna. I am the author and founder of the Brown Bear Book Club, where I love providing resources, tools, and tips for people like you, parents and educators of young children. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy getting things and content, watching content or hearing content like this. Join the club for free. I'll make sure I leave the link as well below. But yes, let's finish this conversation in the comments. Bye, guys.